Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Cheez Its. Alright, the ingredients for this next recipe is easy. All you need is the thinly sliced or ultra thin cheese. So I'm using Colby Jack. You can use any kind you like. And then you need a large cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 250 degrees. And we are going to cut our cheese into little pieces. Alright, I have some of my pieces of cheese cut, and as you can see, I cut mine into pieces of 9, and then you just lay them out on your parchment paper, and I am using a pizza cutter, so I'm just doing cut, 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 simple, and they don't have to be perfect. Alright, my cheese slices have all been cut, and I fit about 70 on my baking dish, but it is large. So we are going to go ahead and get these into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I just wanted to show you what the Cheez Its look like when they're about halfway through baking. You can see how they bubble up and they just smell amazing. Alright, my Cheez Its just came out of the oven. You can see they're nice and toasty. So we'll let them cool off for a couple of seconds and we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.